We bring you 3 easy, lazy recipes to whip up a quick yet yummy dinner in no time. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then add 1 chopped onion and give it a good stir. Next, add 200 grams of tomato puree and 200 grams of coconut milk to the pan. Add salt and red chilli powder and cook it down. Now add 1 cup of boiled chickpea to the curry base and cook everything together. You can also add some water to adjust the consistency of the curry base. Use some chopped coriander for taste. Serve the coconut creamy chickpea curry with some rice and enjoy a hearty dinner. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to a hot pan and saute some chopped bell peppers and mushrooms in the oil. Next, add salt, soya sauce, vinegar and ketchup and mix everything together. Now add 200 ml of water and half cup of boiled noodles along with some Bok Choy leaves and cook the noodles in the soupy broth. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream for a smooth, creamy texture. You can also make a quick sunny side up to serve on top of the bowl of soupy noodles and garnish the dish with fresh Bok Choy leaves. Take a cooking pot and add 500 ml of milk, 100 grams of sugar and 30 grams of cocoa powder to it. Next, add 200 grams of dark chocolate, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 star anise. Now, give everything a good stir using a stirrer and boil the chocolate mixture till it has a silky, smooth consistency. Grab a cup and serve the yummy hot chocolate with some marshmallows on top. Enjoy!